guys, Paul and Ryan, we're here, and we are going to the Coburn Tunnel. We are south of Millheim. Just went to Elk Creek, had a good time. Definitely had a good time at Woodward. And I'm going to give the phone to Ryan for safety reasons, and we are going to adventure a tunnel. Cheers. Taking a ride on my automobile. We're gonna go down to the Po-Patty Tunnel. It's gonna dead end here, I guess, a little bit here, and then we're gonna go take a walk. A lot of nice creek area though.
Oh, that was a tunnel.
Is that it?
I don't know if that was it.
That was
it was definitely, I saw light through the end of it.
Okay, let's back up, truck. Back up, truck. Back up, truck. Back. You know, actually, we have poles in here too, and there's a creek.
Keep going. Wait, what's she doing? Whoa. There's a big puddle.
Here we go. Let's do this.
Who knows how deep it is? Oh my lords! I wouldn't have begun it.
All right. Here we are, guys. The Po-Patty Tunnel. Let's do this. We're gonna go do some adventuring. We're outside south of Millheim, like I said before. Old railroad tunnel, basically, by the looks of it. Oh, you can see the chisel marks and everything. Actually, we're going to walk away. I don't know how it is back here. Probably not.
Yeah, lock of my purse is in there.
Your purse is in it, exactly. Cool. Look at you. That's awesome.
That is really cool. The base of it. I'm going to have to get some pictures.
Awesome moss for the Moss Appreciation Club.
Is this the one they said was hand?
It is man-made. It looks it.
I mean, I guess they probably all are.
It looks. You don't. The boring ones though, you can see like the circles. So this one. Yeah.
Hello.
Awesome. This is cool. This is a cool place. I have those dead batteries, so there's. Yeah, no, it's fine. There's a little bit of a light. It's just not bright. It's actually probably gonna do a little.
That's cool.
Yeah. Might do a little fishing here too. There's a nice creek right next to it. We just left Elk Creek, had some good beers, and some good waffle fries. Had a little good communication, a little contact with humanity a little bit. So now it's just into the tunnels. Just hand hewn, just chaos. All the different layers. Awesome. This is pretty cool.
Definitely different than any other time.
This is definitely unique, yeah. For sure. Yeah, see if there's any fossils in here too. Silurian and Devonian fossils. Maybe even some Carboniferous. There might be some coal mixed in here too, so a lot of slate. Here's the other side. Oh, look at what they did here. This is more like made in arch, yeah. So maybe they started from this side.
That'd be my guess. Make sure you get in and out. That
Yeah.
moss is nice.
Cool. Some of this though, you can get rocks like this that actually have tree imprints in them too. So depending on what you're looking at.
That one's cool.
Yeah, like that. That could be literally, it could be fossilized bark. It could be, you know, the grain of wood. It could be marks. It could be rocks. It could be snow, moving of water. But you have to look at it, because sometimes there is little gems in these rocks that kind of look over sometimes. And trying to learn how to take my time and really look at them. Po Patty Tunnel. I was hoping there was like a little. We didn't do our research, so we don't have the dates and stuff when they open this tunnel and things. Take a little.
Winging it.
There you go, winging it, baby. That's awesome. Cheers.